Ma'am Charo Santos, star-studded 70th birthday party, Bea at Belle nagbigay ng regalo.
And I am lucky to be taught by it.
Kasalukuyan nga na nagaganap ngayon, ang ika-70th birthday celebration ni Ma'am Charo Santos, at sa kanyang birthday party, ay spotted naman ang mga bigating mga artista at personalidad, na kinabibilangan nila Mr. Piolo Pascual, Jericho Rosales at Mr. Dingdong Dantes. Spotted din sina Belle Mariano at Bea Alonzo na nagbigay din ng regalo sa kanya. Dumating din si Vice.
Hindi ako masyado nag-abala. Maliit lang to. So, but I brought a painting tonight by Welbart Bartolome called Gracias. And nung una ko nakita to, I thought of you. Because there are words on the painting. So, it says love, grace, beauty, peace,
ay magiging part ng ating susunod na chapter sa buhay natin. Kasi bumiyahe ako mula Davao, Tihor, at Cubao. Lahat ng regalo nakuha ko sa biyahe.
Sharing your grace and knowledge, and I am lucky to be taught by it. Just a quick throwback po. We did workshops actually with Ma'am Charo. I think this went for 6 days or 1 week. And that time, talagang sobrang mahiyain ako. And she taught me how to carry.
Hi, Belle. Belle, hi. Kiss ka na ni ano.
There was